Welcome back to EVS class.
Hello children, let's start with the workbook exercises. That is lesson number 4, workbook exercises. Big family, small family. First one is remembering multiple choice questions. What is the first question? Which member is not part of a nuclear family? In nuclear family, you will find only father, mother and their children. Isn't it children? That is called a small family is called a nuclear family. What are the options in this one? Mother, father, children and grandparent. Which member is not a part of a nuclear family? Answer is D. Circle D and write the option D here in the bracket. Okay, next question. Which member is not a part of a joint family? In joint family, you can find father, mother, their children and grandparents also you can see in the joint family. In this option, which is not part of a joint family? Options are father, mother, uncle, grandfather. What is the answer? That is uncle, because uncle will be, you can see in the extended families only. Circle C and write in the bracket C. Next one, fill in the blanks. A small family that consists of the mother, the father and their child or children is called a dash family. A small family is which family children? That is a nuclear family. What is the spelling of nuclear? Nuclear. That is nuclear family. Next one, fourth one. Mother, father, children and grandparents together make a dash family. Which family? It is a joint family. What is the spelling of joint? Joint. It is a joint family. Next one, very short answer questions. Fifth one, name the type of family shown in the picture. Which type of family they are showing in the picture, children? You can see children and father and mother. It is a which family? It is a nuclear family. What is the spelling of nuclear? Nuclear. Nuclear family. Family. While writing the words, if you repeat the spelling, it will be easy for you. Which type of family do we find cousins? In which type of family you find cousins, children? In a nuclear family, a joint family, or in an extended family? In a extended family, we find cousins. What is the spelling of extended? Extended. Extended family. Family. Next question. Short answer questions. What is that? Seventh one. Name the family members who are part of an extended family. Can you name the family members who are part of an extended family? Okay, they are first children, 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 parents, parents, grandparents, grandparents, parents, and uncles, uncles, aunts, aunts, and cousins, cousins. Cousins are part, part of an extended family. extended, extended family. Understanding. What do you understand by this lesson? Okay, now you have to answer true or false. 8.1. The size of all types of families is the same. Is it same in nuclear family, in joint family, in extended family? All the members are same, or same number of family members are there in all these types of families? No, it is a wrong statement. The size of all types of family is the same. It is a false. Right? False. What is the spelling of false? False. False. Next one. Grandparents are a part of all types of families. Can you see grandparents in all three types of families? No. You can see the grandparents in joint family and in extended family. You can't see the grandparents in nuclear families. This is also false statement. False. False. 10th one. People in an extended family may do business together. In people in an extended family, they can do the business together, na? They can go for a job and they can do a business together. It's a true statement. True. Next one. Earlier, people used to live as extended families. In earlier days, the people used to live in extended families. Nowadays, the people used to go for studies, higher studies, and if they get the job in some other places, they will go to the other places also. That's why the families become smaller nowadays. But in earlier days, all the people used to live in a one house only, and they used to do a business together. This is the right statement. What is the answer? True. Okay, short answer question. 12th one. What happens when family members move out for their work or studies? What happens when the family members move out and leave the house for purpose of the work or the purpose of a jobs or for higher studies? Then then the family will become a small. What is the answer? Families. Families. Families become become smaller. Become small in size. Size. When when family members family members move out. Out. For their. Work. Or studies. Studies. Full stop is compulsory. Why are there families of different types? Why the families are different types of families are there? Because of their size, because of the members. They have different members they have. That's why we have a three different families. Okay. What is the answer? The number, number, and type, type, of family, family members, 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 D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. F-O-R, for. E-A-C-H, each. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. So there are, T-H-E-R-E, there are families, F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S, families of different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different types, T-Y-P-E-S. Turn the page. That is application. Multiple choice questions again. 14th one. During which meal are all the family members not likely to be together? ಯಾವಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ? ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್, ಲಂಚ್, ಟೀ या डिनर. Mostly they used to have whenever they get all the family members may be busy because of the work or because of the studies, they used to have the meal together at the breakfast, at the dinner, but they can't be do the lunch together. What is the answer then? It's the option B, lunch. Write B and write the option B in the bracket. On which occasions are you not likely to meet your extended family members? You can meet extended family members when the birthdays are there, when the festival is there, at the wedding functions you can meet them. Can you meet your extended family at your lunch break at school? No. Birthdays, festivals, weddings, you can meet your extended family, but at the lunch break at school you can't meet them. What is the option? Option D, right here, D. Short answer question. What are the family members doing in the following picture? Can you see this picture? By seeing this picture, they are celebrating a festival. Which festival? Can you guess that, children? By seeing this, see this boy's cap and this tree, they are celebrating a Christmas. Okay, just you write down A, the family is family is celebrating, CELEBRATING, celebrating a festival, FASTIVAL, festival, full stop. FESTIVAL, festival. B, what they are doing? They are going for a trip. What is the option? The family is THE, the FAMILY, family, IS is GOING, going, ON, on a trip, TRIP, trip. Next one. Why can family members not be together the whole day? Because they used to go for a work and they used to go for a studies. That's why they can't be together all the day. Some family members, SOME, some family members, FAMILY, family members, MEMBERS, family members go out to work. Like where father used to go out for work now, and you people go for school. Nowadays you will be staying at home only. Study. For study you used to go out now, only your mother will be at home. Your grandparents will be at home. Some family members go out to work or study. So the family members not B, not not, BEB, TOGETHER together, THE the, WHOLE whole, day. This is the answer. Next one, higher order thinking. Short answer question. What is the 18th one? Find out some interesting stories about pets with the help of your, I can say only parents. Draw a picture for the story you liked the most. Hint, stories of pets helping people in trouble, helping to do household works, helping old people and children, and so on. You have to draw a picture of that. This is you have to do yourself. Homework.